Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We got a watch for Christmas, smartwatch. This is the X5 smartwatch. Sports mode features, blood oxygen evaluation, heart rate. It says multi-sport mode features, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, hiking, running, football, tennis, basketball, golf, all kinds of stuff. There it is. There's the scannable object. You scan that and download the app. There it is. We'll get it out, show you how to use it. Alright, let's open this up. Get that watch out. Oh, there's your directions. See what the directions say. X5 smartwatch. Not much to it. Shows you how to charge it. Says hold down on the screen for 3 seconds. It comes on. And use the app. This shows you how to change the band on it. It comes with an extra band, looks like. Let's see what we got here. There's your charger. Looks like it clips on the back of the watch. See if we can get this out of here now. Looks like we're going to have to cut it loose here. There we go. Comes out like that. There's an extra band that goes with it. You can change it. It comes with black, or I guess that's a kind of a maroon band. Charge either one of them with it. Let's see if we can get it off here. Looks like we have to unfasten the band here. Unbuckle it. Pull it out like so. Alright. Looks like to charge it, there's 2 little charging ports right there. You plug this on like so. Clamp it down like that. Plug it in the USB port either on your computer or to a charger like you charge your phone with. Alright. Not sure if it's got any charge on it right now, but take that off, lay it aside. See, this comes off the screen like that. See if there's any charge in it. No, we're going to have to charge it. Okay, we'll get it charged and show you how to operate it. Okay, we have the app downloaded for the watch. Let's go find it. X5 wearables right there. Okay, now it says up in the top corner, see that little phone right there? Tap on that. Now, device. Previously connected devices, start a new device. X5 wearables to access device's location. Okay. While using this app, okay. Connect to and determine the relative position by nearby devices, okay. X5 wearables is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Okay. Looks like that's it right there. Tap on it, I think. And are we on now? Let's see what we got here. Bluetooth pairing request. Let's pair it. Looks like you got the right time, 1:17. All right. Firmware update is available. Tap now to update. We don't want to do that right now. Thought we did that earlier, so. See what we got going here. Set some goals. What's up here? My profile. My goals, announcements, watch faces. Ooh, look at that. Well, let's see what that one looks like. Download and use. I like that one. Says it's updating, all right. Getting close, a little over halfway. Okay. Did we get it? There it is. There's the one we picked. Okay. Now, watch faces. What else we got in here? Running mode, settings, watch notifications. What is that? Turn on notification access for X5 wearables to receive notifications on your watch. I don't think so right now. They have an alarm. There's a camera remote. Look at there. Allow it to take pictures. Yeah, we'll do that later, but all right. Camera remote, all right. On the phone, weather. It says it's 76 and cloudy. I think that's about right. Let's see, motion gestures, always on. Reminder to move. This is active during hours of 10 a.m., 6 p.m. Okay. Continuous heart rate. Do not disturb, disabled. Time formats, 12 hours or 24 hours. I like 12. I'm not into military time anymore. Units. What units do I have? Imperial, okay. Temperature system, Fahrenheit, okay. Weather. Weather, Fahrenheit. City is my city, Quitman. All right. Language. Well, I hope it's English. Yeah. All right. You can pick others there if you need to. Contact us. Privacy. Log out. I think we got it now. See if we can get back over here to the time. There it is. Right there. Hey, I think we got this watch going. All right. Remember, it says do not connect with Bluetooth from your phone. Use the app. It says the Bluetooth on the phone is too powerful for it. It doesn't like that. Let's see what settings we got here. Find watch. Oh, if you lose it, you can find it. Your watch is vibrating. Oh, okay. Gestures, remind. Okay. Well, I think we about got the app there. So let's just close this. You can do all these things. Weight. How much do I weigh, I guess? Target. Today is Monday, the 27th. All right, I like that. Let's see, watch faces. The one I picked didn't have the date on it. Yeah, it does, the 27th. Okay. What other we got here? Well, I think we're going to stay with that for right now. Well, you see how it works, okay? If we press the back button again, it'll exit. There it goes. All right, so there's our watch. It is running, and we're ready to go. All right. Tap it. It comes on. There it is. There's that watch face we downloaded, all right? Move it around. You can do stuff. There's steps. Count your steps. Not sure what that is. Hours and minutes. Stopwatch maybe. Sports mode. Blood oxygen. There's a weather in my city. I like that. 76 here in December. Almost January. Alright, let's get back to the watch. There's the watch. Alright. So we showed you with the app how we set everything up, and there's the watch face. It goes off. You tap it and it'll come back on. There you go. Alright. Nice little watch. I like this. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please check out our playlist called Technology. We have another one called Speakers. There's a lot of Bluetooth speakers on there. Check them out, and we'll see you next time.